Well, this is really heavy.
Yes, that's why.
Brother, what's that?
Didn't see you there, but come a bit closer. Hi, we're the Buttercups.
I am Juliana.
I'm Adri. Have you ever wondered what to wear? Because sometimes it's too hot, sometimes it's too cold outside.
Yeah, I wonder that every day.
Every day. I think in the summer I usually wear something like this, but then it's 20 degrees below in a day.
Yeah.
That's so annoying.
Yeah.
But we have a solution.
Come with us in Erasmus project and we will teach you how to save the planet.
We'll teach you green skills and outdoor skills and how to be green like us.
Yes. Come in our team, the green team.
We don't need this.
Yeah, maybe we can recycle them.
Yes, in a
Yeah,
bin.
that's a good idea.
Yes.